I have got a very good news for you. You can easily move to Europe as a teacher if you're good in English language teaching and hold a bachelor's degree. In this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step process on how to make it happen. But before that, let's understand what exactly is a job. If you see a lot of European countries, particularly the countries like Spain, France, Poland, Hungary and Italy, they do have a lot of English language teachers to teach their citizens. And for that, the basic requirement is that the student or the candidate should hold a TEFL or TESOL certificate with at least 120 hours of training. Now, to get this job, the first step is to attain a TEFL or TESOL certificate, that is Teaching English as Foreign Language certificate, from any accredited or recognized institution like Trinity CertTESOL or CELTA. Once that is done, the candidate should take an English language proficiency and attain a band of around C1 or C2. So ideally it could be an IELTS band of around 7.5 or 8 or 8.5. Once that is done, the candidate should create a Europass CV and the LinkedIn profile highlighting their achievements, their work experience, their credentials, their test scores and even their references, and start applying for the jobs by using specialized job search portals like TEFL.com. For applying for the jobs, the candidates can focus on the countries where there is a huge requirement for English language teaching jobs like Spain, France, Hungary and Italy. Once they are shortlisted, most of the employers will conduct the online interview focusing on their communication and even will give their few case-specific scenarios. Once they are hired, most of the employers will do the rest of the process like the work permit and visa. Once the visa is issued, the candidates are all set to fly to Europe. If you're planning to move to Europe as a teacher, you can connect with our team on the numbers mentioned below.